Good morning, brothers and sisters, mothers and fathers. First, let us give thanks because we can breathe. It's always a pleasure to be here. Always, always, always. I hope everyone had rested well, get up with some energy, keep motivated, positive, in a positive way. Today, I will be talking about what is it am I going to talk about? Forgive me, okay? Because I never like prepare myself. What am I gonna talk about? But today I'm gonna talk about. I had like a couple of people. I talk about my experience, being a victim when molestation and raped at an early age, and I call names, and I had a feedback where I was told I should not have called name. So this is something that I just want to adjust because I think that these like for me that's very it's offensive. Why it's offensive? Because I'm the one who feel the pain, go through all that. I talk about what I went through, and for me not to call name, that is suppressing me. That is taking back something away from me. I'm looking I looked for my freedom within inside at the same time able to help somebody out there and to try to tell me that I shouldn't call name. Like, is that supposed to be a normal thing for me? No, it's not. I stand for the truth. And this is one of the reasons when people lie on me, I just cut them with silence. I will not even like try and defend. I will cut you. Because in all my life, for many years, my truth has been suppressed from people who supposed to be relative. My truth has been suppressed, and then I eventually become a liar when the truth is suppressed. And these are things that I will adjust because those are from my early age, and I will adjust. I will adjust all because when lies are being told on you that damage your reputation is something that has to be adjusted. So now is my time. So I am the one who has suffered, and it's like I wasn't supposed to call name. Are you for real? I've lost my childhood. I've lost my childhood. I've become a woman at an early age. I don't know what is it to be a child. I don't know what is it to experience those things as teenager because I was forced to grow up. I don't know. The only thing that I know is how to be responsible. So it's my responsibility to set the things straight that I want to be set straight. So if any one of you feel offended or you don't like what I'm going to say here about what happened to me in my life, you have a choice. You can block me. You can whenever you see me, you can just delete. And that's fine because it means that you're not supposed to be a part of what I am doing. And that's okay because in the end of the day, I will have my truth. I will able to have a peace of mind. The only people who's going to understand me is the people who stand for decency, the people who is against all these things that is wrong, the people who is against it, the people who is a victim of sexual molestation, whether it's in the past or in the present. They are the only people who would understand. No one would ever understand if they are not in those three categories because you've learned to live with it. You've learned to live with it, to cope with it. But it's something that's never gonna go away. That is a trauma that we're gonna have to fix. So my truth will be told. It will be told. And who don't like it, I don't care who you are. If you don't like it, you have a choice. Delete, block, or whatever you choose to do. But my truth will be told. I would rather to be a black sheep than to be a sheep. What do you call it? A wolf in sheep clothing. Because I don't stand for wolf in sheep clothing. I stand for direct. I stand for the truth. I will say my truth. And if you don't like it, that's gonna be your problem, not mine. And at the same time, coming out here and talk about my experience, my pain, my truth is gonna educate somebody who wanna do better, who wanna be better. It's gonna educate my children to stand by their truth. So let the truth be told. I am not perfect. I've done things in my life. And the beauty of all that, I can admit to it. Nobody don't have to tell me. I can tell you. Because we are not perfect. We people is gonna make mistake. But the whole thing is, can you admit to your mistake? Don't make no one stop you from telling your truth. Don't make no one make your voice not be heard. Because in the end of the day, you're the one who have to live with yourself. Keep yourself positive. Positive. Tell your truth. Without being positive, there's no truth. Without the truth, you cannot have positivity in you. There has to be truth. So I will not be suffocated just because anyone will feel ashamed of the truth. My mouth will not be closed just because I am not afraid to hear my voice heard. I repeat myself, the truth will be told. And that is my truth. I don't have anything to be ashamed of. I'm not ashamed of my past because it molds me. It makes me the woman who I am. And I'm very proud of that. But that doesn't mean my past has to just be a pass in vain when a young girl has to be on her own at an early age from the year of 14. That doesn't mean my past have to be in vain because I was supposed to be a woman being raped at the age of 9 years old. The pain that I sustain, it will not be in vain. It will help a lot of people in the world. And that is my mission. That is my mission, is to make a difference. And I will make a difference before the day I die. With the help of God, I manifested for years. I manifested for years that I manifested that the world will know my story, and they will. Don't be afraid to make your voice heard. Stand to your truth, speak your truth, and die for your truth. Because I am willing to die for my truth. Because in the end of the day, it's a peace of mind. And I'm able to teach my kids something, and many children out there in the world. So if you're not able to say the truth and live with your truth and you have a problem with me, you don't have to look at my videos. You can turn them off. If you subscribe to my channel and the truth is going to hurt you so bad, my truth, I recommend that you unsubscribe. But I know there's a lot of good people out there, and a lot of people out there is going to happy to have the truth. I know that. I'm aware of that. Because I'm not the only one who stand by the truth. There are many out there. Some of the best leaders are the ones who suffer just like me. the one who go through racks, battles, and stand and still smile. So I will tell my truths. With all that, I had to say it. Okay? Today is a beautiful day. Let us give thanks always. Stay positive. Keep positive. Smile at every stand that comes along. And if your truth, when your truth is gonna irritate the demons of other people, let your truth be told, okay? Do not be what do you call it? A sheep in wolf clothing, okay? Be a black sheep. There's nothing wrong with that because with a black sheep, you know what's coming. It could be spotted. A wolf in sheep clothing, that's what you have to be aware of. Have yourself a wonderful day. Keep positive, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Okay? Stay tuned. There's more to come. Many, many more to come. And please subscribe to my channel. If you're a first time user, subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning user, it's always pleasure to have you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Together we are stronger. Okay? And be strong. It doesn't matter what you're going through. You're gonna get through it. Because I'm still here standing. There's more to come. Okay?